Welcome to Maya's Atlas. I'm Maya, and I've officially started a mission to create the ultimate guide for every single country on Earth 195 nations, thousands of hidden gems. And what better way to kick off this global journey than with a country that feels like another planet? Today, we are diving into the land of the rising sun, Japan. From the neon soaked skyscrapers of Tokyo to the ancient, quiet shrines right here in Kyoto. I've mapped out the top 10 spots you absolutely cannot miss. Grab your virtual passport, hit that subscribe button to join the 195 Club, and let's get started. Japan, a land where ancient traditions meet cutting edge technology. From the neon glow of Tokyo to the silent temples of Kyoto, this is the ultimate travel destination. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or an urban explorer, Japan has something that will change the way you see the world. Welcome to your ultimate Japan guide. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know before visiting the land of the rising sun. Let's get started. First, the basics. Japan is an archipelago in East Asia. The best time to visit? Spring for cherry blossoms or autumn for stunning red maples. Just be prepared for the crowds. The currency is the yen. While more places accept cards now, cash is still king in smaller towns. Grab a Japan Rail Pass before you arrive to save big on travel. Coming in at number 10, Hiroshima. It's a city of profound history and resilience. Don't miss the Peace Memorial Park and a ferry ride to the stunning floating shrine on Miyajima Island. Number 9 is Hakone. Just a short trip from Tokyo, it's famous for its hot springs and incredible views of Mount Fuji. Relax in a ryokan and take the cable car for the best vistas. Number 8, Osaka, known as Japan's kitchen. This city is all about food and fun. Explore the neon wonderland of Dotonbori and the historic Osaka Castle. Get ready to eat until you drop. At number 7, we have Nara. As Japan's first permanent capital, it's home to some of the country's oldest treasures and the famous Boeing deer who are always looking for a snack. And number 6, Sapporo. The capital of Hokkaido is a winter wonderland, famous for its world-class snow festival and, of course, some of the best ramen you will ever taste. That's our first 5 locations. We're just getting warmed up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on other countries. So, let us continue with the top 5 must visit spots in Japan. We started with the essential travel logistics and started our countdown with 5 incredible cities. Now we're entering the elite territory. We are counting down the top 5 must visit locations in the land of the rising sun. These are the spots that define the Japanese experience, from ancient samurai history to the world's most advanced neon metropolises. Let's jump straight into number 5. Coming in at number 5 is Kanazawa. Often overlooked for its bigger neighbor Kyoto, Kanazawa is a hidden gem on Japan's west coast. Known as Little Kyoto, this city was spared from World War II bombing, meaning its Edo period districts are perfectly preserved. You can wander through the Higashi-Chaya Geisha district or visit the Nagamachi Samurai Quarter to see how the elite once lived. But the real star here is Kenrokuen, which is widely considered one of Japan's 3 most beautiful landscape gardens. Whether it's the snow-covered lanterns in winter or the vibrant greenery of summer, Kanazawa is a masterclass in traditional Japanese aesthetics. Number 4 brings us to Nikko. Located just a couple of hours north of Tokyo, Nikko is where breathtaking nature meets spiritual grandiosity. It is home to the Toshogu Shrine, the final resting place of the legendary shogun Tokugawa Ieyasu. This shrine is unique in Japan for its incredibly intricate and colorful wood carvings, including the famous See No Evil, Speak No Evil, Hear No Evil monkeys. Beyond the temples, Nikko National Park offers some of Japan's most stunning scenery. From the massive 97-meter-high Kigon Falls to the serene shores of Lake Chuzenji, Nikko is a spiritual retreat that offers a deep connection to Japan's mountainous heart. At number 3, we have the one and only Kyoto. If you want to see the Japan of your dreams, the Japan of geisha, tea ceremonies, and silent Zen gardens, this is it. Kyoto was the imperial capital for over 1,000 years, and that heritage is visible on every corner. There are over 2,000 temples and shrines here. You have to walk through the thousands of vermilion torii gates at Fushimi Inari and witness the shimmering golden pavilion of Kinkakuji. For a moment of peace, head to Arashiyama to walk through the towering stalks of the bamboo grove. Kyoto isn't just a city, it's a living, breathing museum of Japanese history. Number two, Tokyo. The world's largest metropolis is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Tokyo is where the future lives. You can spend your morning at the historic Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, your afternoon exploring the wild street fashion of Harajuku, and your night getting lost in the neon soaked alleys of Shinjuku or the high tech gaming hubs of Akihabara. Despite its massive size and millions of people, Tokyo remains incredibly clean, safe, and efficient. It's a city that challenges your expectations at every turn, offering everything from world class Michelin starred dining to tiny hidden bars that only seat four people. Tokyo is an experience like no other. And finally, the number one spot goes to the icon of the nation, Mount Fuji. Fujisan is more than just a mountain, it's a sacred symbol of Japanese identity. Standing at 3,176 meters, its near perfect symmetrical cone is recognizable worldwide. While many travelers choose to climb it during the summer months to catch the Goraiko or sunrise from the peak, others prefer the views from the Fuji Five Lakes region. Seeing the mountain reflected in the still waters of Lake Kawaguchi or framed by the red Chiredo Pagoda is a moment of pure magic. No trip to Japan is truly complete without paying your respects to this majestic giant. Now, to make your trip smooth, let's talk culture. Japan is a society built on mutual respect and harmony. You'll notice that people bow instead of shaking hands. A simple nod of the head or a slight bow is a great way to show respect. When entering a home, a ryokan, or even some restaurants, look for the genken or entrance step where you should remove your shoes. On public transport, keep your voice low and your phone on silent. Maintaining a quiet environment for others is highly valued. And a quick tip on tipping: don't do it. Excellent service is expected in Japan, and leaving extra money can actually cause confusion or even offense. Just a simple arigato is all the thanks you need. Finally, we have to talk about the food. Japan is a world class culinary destination. Of course, you have to try sushi, where the freshness of the fish is unparalleled. But don't stop there. Dive into a hot, savory bowl of ramen, try the crispy tempura, or head to Osaka for some famous street side takoyaki, delicious grilled octopus balls. For a more formal experience, participate in a traditional tea ceremony to taste authentic matcha green tea. From high-end kaiseki multi-course meals to a quick and delicious meal at a konbini or convenience store, Japan is a place where you will never have a bad meal. Eat adventurous and enjoy every bite. Japan is a land of endless discovery, where every visit reveals something new. We hope this guide helps you plan the adventure of a lifetime across the incredible landscapes of Japan. If you found this documentary helpful for your travel planning, please hit that like button. It truly helps our mission to map the world. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell to join. You won't want to miss our next stop as we continue this journey to every single country on Earth. By subscribing, you'll get a front row seat to the best hidden gems and must see destinations across all seven continents. Be sure to check out our full playlist of global travel guides to binge watch your way around the globe right now. We want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these Japanese spots is officially at the top of your bucket list? Your engagement helps us decide which countries to prioritize next. Thanks for watching Maya's Atlas, and as always, happy travels.